Imagine a world where your online activities are completely anonymous, protected for praying eyes, and secure from cyber threats. Sounds impossible. For cyber threats, sounds impossible. Meet Whonix, a privacy-focused virtual machines designed to shield your identity and keep your data safe. In this video, I will guide you through the installation process of Whonix step by step and show you how it works, protect your privacy online. Whether you are a privacy enthusiast, researcher or journalist, this tool is for you. Let's dive in. So Whonix is a Linux-based operating system that's run on a virtual machines. It unique because it's designed to anonymize your internet traffic by routing it through Tor. Whonix comes in a two parts: Whonix Gateway and Whonix Workstation. So here is the Whonix website. You can easily download for a virtual box. Here is the virtual box link and click here to download. I have already downloaded this and go to the virtual machine, virtual box. Add and go to downloads. Here is not, so we go back and open downloads, right click and open with VirtualBox Manager, hit enter. Source file, local file system, okay, finish, agree. Okay, so here is the importing appliances of Whonix. Before we begin, make sure you have a computer capable of running virtualization software like VirtualBox, and at least 8 GB RAM are required. Head over the Whonix websites, download the VirtualBox image. Take some time to importing the appliances. Whonix gateway is powering off and our Whonix workstation was importing. %, 94% are done. So here is, you can see Whonix gateway and workstation, both are imported. So first we start the gateway. Starting the first gateway, wait for it to initialize and connect to the Tor network. Then launch the workstation. The two VMs works together, ensure your traffic is anonymized. So here is our Whonix gateway. Default username is a user and password is not required. Passwordless login. Okay, click button. Go to terminal. First we have update this gateway. Sudo apt update. Whonix produce independently of with no guarantee form. The Tor project Whonix is a research project. apt update and with apt full upgrade. Hit enter. Okay, so our gateway was updated. Close it and we have start the workstation. And here is the workstations. Inside the Whonix workstation, you can use pre-installed Tor browser for anonymous browsing. Run the application securely without revealing your identity. Use advanced tools like Onion Share to share files anonymously. So here is our workstation. So we will update first workstation. Okay. So here was the updated and open browser. And here is our browser. Is the Tor is the default browser of Whonix workstation, and click to here. You can here see this is my hidden IP address. This is our unique IP address. Change it every time. Unlike standard virtual machines, Whonix provides a robust solution for privacy because it routes all traffic through Tor and isolated internet communications from the operating system. This makes it excellent choice for researchers, journalists, and anyone value their privacy. And that's it. You have successfully installed and started using Whonix. Remember, privacy is not luxurious, it is a necessity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more privacy focused tutorials.